Okay, we're here with vKernel. Just to start off, can you tell me what your product is all about?
Sure, so we're vKernel. We do performance and capacity management for virtualized environments. We were the 2010 Virtualization Management VMworld award-winning product. So there it is right there on the badge. There you go. And so we do performance and capacity management for virtualized environments.
Okay. And I heard you got an appliance that you set up in your environment and that checks your whole vSphere environment.
Yeah, so we deploy as a single virtual appliance. You download the appliance into the environment and it collects data from both vCenter. We also just support Microsoft SCOM. And in the end of Q4, we'll be supporting Red Hat Virtualization Manager. The goal here is in a virtualized environment, you share resources. All the VMs share CPU, memory, storage, network resources, and because it's very much like a mainframe. So because the VMs operate in a shared resource environment, capacity management is critical for those environments to perform correctly. If you don't have enough capacity, you have performance problems. If you have too much capacity, you have cost problems. So our product is designed to keep you out of performance issues, but also keep you out of cost problems with the CFL.
Okay, but capacity management is also done by vCenter, for example?
So we compete with the combination of vCenter operations combined with VMware Capacity IQ, combined with VMware Chargeback product. So all three of those products would be our main competition. The difference is we deliver all that functionality together in a single integrated application. We deliver it across data centers, resources, hypervisors, Microsoft, Hyper-V, KVM. And of course, there's a lot of functional differences also in the products.
Okay. Besides capacity, is also misconfigurations and errors that you bring up at the report?
That's a great question. So we don't do configuration management yet. However, as I learned last night at our customer dinner, we do have a lot of customers that use our inventory reporting, which is like a small spreadsheet in here, to go off and do analysis of what the environment goes and looks like. So they use our inventory reporting piece, and I'm kind of doing this on the fly with you, but they pull up various columns here to do searches for things that are out of compliance. But no, we're not specifically a compliance-oriented product today.
Okay, can you do a quick demo about
Sure.
the whole product? Not all, the main.
Yep, so capacity drives both performance and cost in a virtual environment. I'll start here. So let's start on the performance side. So with insufficient capacity, you're going to get various types of alerts and alarms coming out of vCenter. We're an analysis package that complements what's in vCenter. So we do analysis on the data that's in there. This here shows you all of the current root cause problems in your account, in the environment. It shows you what alarm it is, which alarms to pay attention to, and how to go resolve it. You can also do auto remediation next to go solve those problems. We also show you the current bottlenecks. So alarms are things that are like flashing in your face. We also show you current bottlenecks, which maybe they're not quite flashing in your face, but they're definitely causing performance problems. And we're going to do that across CPU, memory, storage, throughput, and latency. The next way we're going to keep you out of performance trouble is we're going to show you the available number of VM slots that you can place in your environment. So for example, right here, I'm showing that this host right here has 81 VMs running. It can add an additional 6 VMs into the environment. And this is critical from a performance standpoint because if you put too many VMs on a host, you're going to have performance issues. You can customize the templates used for all the sizing. You can even go in and reserve the space. This also helps from a cost standpoint because if you can put more VMs on a host, you can drive your cost down. So now I'm shifting to the cost side of the equation. Remember I said capacity drives performance and cost? Now let's go like a cost. From a cost standpoint, we help you right-size the environment by finding right-size the environment. Right-size the environment.
Capacity. There it is.
By showing you CPU, memory, and storage problems in the environment. We also help you find waste. So this would be where you've over-allocated CPU, memory, or storage. We also help you find waste, which would be abandoned VMs, unused templates, snapshots, and zombie VMs. Do you guys have zombie VMs in Harlem?
Yeah, probably. Some lost and abandoned. Oh, not those guys.
These aren't abandoned. See, that's a zombie VM. A zombie VM is a VM that's alive, but it's not doing any useful work. There's an entire organization called zombievm.org dedicated towards zombie VMs. So
we already saw some monster VMs here at VMworld.
And there's monster VMs too now.
Zombie VMs.
And then the final thing we do on cost is we have reporting and chargeback. So this helps you go off and find, from a cost standpoint, you can go off and, let's pick a customer. Get a chargeback report for exactly how much a customer's utilized and how much they've allocated.
Okay, you also differentiated these different organizational units, customer.
You can build your own custom groups if you like,
okay.
Or you can use it out of that, specific infrastructures. We also sync with vCenter folders.
Okay, and just to recap, it also supports Hyper-V, Xen Server,
Hyper-V, and we'll be doing Rev KVM the end of the year.
Okay, because Hyper-V and vSphere and Red Hat. Okay, that's clear. Thanks.
Thank you very much for coming by. Take care. Have a good day. See you at the Dutch V-Mug. Bye.
Hey, bye.